I don't know if it's gonna work. Fingers crossed.
Oh, and look at the quilting. It's so good. It's a nice, big, juicy. Hi everyone, welcome back to Raynior London. I am Raquel and I share DIY home transformations, fashion, lifestyle, and London living. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm giving my sofa a simple upgrade to make it much more comfortable. When I leaned back and tried resting my arm, it just was not comfortable. After a while, it actually became quite painful. I wanted to be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy watching TV on this beautiful sofa. But it was not giving me the comfort I was looking for. For this project, I'll be using the same oatmeal boucle fabric as the sofa, so everything matches perfectly and looks like it was always meant to be there. I'm laying the bolster pillow along the side of the sofa arm to check the size and make sure I cut it evenly to the same measurement as the sofa. I'm sitting down to test the bolster pillow both ways, standing upright, laying flat to see which position feels the most comfortable. Now I'm going ahead and cutting the bolster pillow to the measurements I took from the sofa. As I cut, I'm pushing the stuffing further down to stop it spilling out all over the floor. Once I finished cut both sides, I took some extra filling from the leftover piece and pushed it into the new armrest pillows. I wanted them to feel firmer, sturdier, and more supportive. I did try sewing the bolster slash body pillow on my sewing machine, but it was just too bulky. In the end, I decided to unstitch it instead to keep all the fillings securely in place. Now it is time to measure and cut the fabric to fit the pillows perfectly. I was actually surprised that I managed to get both armrests out of just 1 meter of fabric. And honestly, there was not a single scrap left. I used every last bit. With everything measured and cut, it is finally time to sew the covers together. Now for my favorite part, let's put them on the sofa and see how they turned out. Before I showed you the finished results, here is a quick look at how the sofa looked before I added the armrest. It looks great, but it was missing that extra comfort. Now let's see the transformation. And here is a finished result. As you can see, the girls are sitting comfortably, relaxing and enjoying the sofa. The new armrest cushions feel firm, supportive and much more comfortable to lean against. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They blend in beautifully with the sofa and look like they were always part of the original design. If you enjoyed this makeover, I did really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who loves DIY home projects. Coming up next, I will be giving this old storage trunk a complete designer makeover, so make sure you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.